Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. Today we will see hydrosphere, the fourth lesson in geography. Page number 198. Got it? Let us see now. Listen, dear students. Distribution of water bodies. The Earth is popularly called blue planet or watery planet because about 71% of the total area of the Earth or 361 million square kilometer is covered by water. The major water bodies of the world are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Listen, dear students. Distribution of water bodies. The Earth is popularly called as blue planet or watery planet. Got it? The Earth is popularly known as what? Blue planet or watery planet. Got it? Why the Earth is called as blue planet or watery planet? Because about 71% of the total area of the Earth or 361 million square kilometers is covered by water. So the Earth is called as blue planet or watery planet. Got it? Let us see now the major water bodies of the world. Now you see the major means important water bodies in the world. Let's see one by one. There are first one is the Pacific Ocean, second one is the Atlantic Ocean, third one is the Indian Ocean, and fourth one is the Arctic Ocean. These are the major four water bodies exist in the world. Got it? Let's see now oceans. Oceans are deep and large expanse of water found between the continents. The Indian Ocean between Asia, Africa, and Australia. The Atlantic Ocean between North America and Europe, and so on. Got it, dear students? Oceans means oceans are deep and large expanse of water found between the continents. Oceans are found between continents. Got it? The Indian Ocean between Asia continent, Africa continent, and Australia continent. The Atlantic Ocean between North America and Europe, and so on. Got it? Let us see now. Sea. A sea is a part of the ocean extended or projected far inland. Listen, dear students. A seas are the part of the ocean. Got it? Seas are the part of the ocean. Got it? Seas are smaller compared to the oceans. Listen, the seas are smaller compared to oceans. Got it? Oceans are very big, but seas are small compared to oceans. Example, the Arabian Sea, the Caspian Sea, and Red Sea. These are the seas. Examples. Okay. Let us see now. Gulf. Gulf is a part of the ocean or sea that penetrated into the land. Listen. Gulf is a part of the ocean or sea. Got it? Sea is a part of the ocean. Similarly, the Gulf is a part of ocean or sea. Got it? It is smaller than sea. The gulfs are smaller than sea. The size, shape, and depth of gulf varies from one to another. Example, Gulf of Mannar, the Persian Gulf, the Gulf of Mexico. Got it? Let's see now. Bay. Bays are small, semicircular water bodies, partially surrounded by land. Listen, bays are small, semicircular water bodies. Listen, the bays are semicircular water bodies. Got it? These are partially surrounded by land. The bays are partially surrounded by land. Got it? The depth, extent, and size of bays vary from one to another. Let's see example: the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Biscay, the Bay of Fundy, Hudson Bay, etc. Let's see. Strand. Estuarine is a narrow strip of water body joining two large water bodies. Example, Park Strait, Strait of Gibraltar, Bering Strait, etc. Listen, strait means what? A strait is a narrow strip of water body joining two large water bodies. Got it? The straits are joining two water bodies. These are called strait. Okay. Let us see now. Isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow stretch of landmass joining two large landmasses. Isthmus is the most important location for constructing ocean canals. Got it? Isthmus is a narrow stretch of landmass joining two large landmasses. Got it? The isthmuses are the joining two large land masses. Isthmus is the most important for constructing canals. Example, Suez Canal between the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Second one is Panama Canal between the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Got it? Let us see now relief of the ocean floor. Relief means features of the ocean floor. Floor means inside the ocean, okay, under the ocean. Let us see now features of the oceans or relief of the ocean floors. The sea or ocean floor also has various features like the relief features of the earth's surface. The knowledge of relief features of the ocean floor is very necessary to know the importance of ocean. On the basis of the characteristic features, the ocean floor is divided into four major parts. Listen, dear students, the ocean floor is divided into how many parts? Four major. Major means important parts. Let us see now. The continental shelf. Second one is the continental slope. Third one is the deep sea plain. The fourth one is the ocean days. Let us see now one by one. While you're reading, listening this lesson, observe the picture in page number 199. Observe carefully, you will be getting idea. Okay, dear students. Let us see now. First one, continental shelf. This is the shallow area along the sea coast. The continental shelf is a shallow area along the sea coast. Shallow means small. Okay, beach. The part of bordered by the sea coast on one side and a continental slope on the other side. The average depth of the continental shelf is 100 fathoms. 1 fathom is equals to 6 feet. Listen, the average depth of continental shelf is how many fathoms? 100 fathoms. 1 fathom is equals to how many feet? 6 feet. Got it? The depth of the sea in this region gradually increased towards the continental slope. The continental shelf is very important for fishing, aquaculture, navigation, and extraction of minerals. Got it? The continental shelf is very important for fishing, aquaculture, navigation, and extraction of minerals. Got it? Let us see now second one, the continental slope. This is the second part of the ocean floor and is very steep. It is a link between the continental shelf and the deep sea plains. Submarine canals are a special feature of this region. Listen, dear students, the continental slope is the second part of the ocean floor. Which is the second part of the ocean floor? The continental slope is the second part of the ocean floors. Got it? Got it, dear students? And the continental slope is lies between continental shelf and deep sea plain. Okay, clear? Let us see now. Third one is the deep sea plain. This is a vast plain found at the bottom of the sea floor. Where we will find the deep sea plain? We will be found it is in bottom of the sea floor. Got it? The deep sea plain is also known as abyssal plain, and it covers the largest area of the ocean floor. In this region, sea mounts and gyres are found. In deep sea plain, we will be seeing sea mounts. Mounts means mountains. Under the ocean, we will be seeing mountains. Okay, under the ocean, the mountains are exist. Not only mountains, along with gyres also is there. Got it? Yes, the fourth one, the ocean deep. The ocean deep are also called ocean trenches. The ocean deep also known as ocean trenches. What is it? These are the deepest part of the ocean floor. Which is the deepest part of the ocean floor? The ocean deep is an deepest part of the ocean floor. Example, the Challenger Deep of Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean near Philippine Islands is around 11,033 meters deep, and it is the deepest point in the oceans. Which is the deepest point in the ocean? Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean near Philippine Islands. It has how many meters deep? 11,033 meters deep. Got it? The other trenches are Tonga Trench, Kurile Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Got it? Let us see now temperature and salinity of the ocean water. Temperature. See, our ocean water temperature varies according to the latitudes and the depth of the ocean floor. The temperature of the ocean water near the equator is more than that of the temperature near the Arctic and the Atlantic circles. With the increasing depth, the temperature of the ocean water decreases. Listen, dear students, with the increasing depth, the temperature or heat of the ocean water is decreases. Okay, it is because the sunlight can penetrate into the ocean only up to a depth of 200 meters. Got it? Within this depth, various marine organisms means whales, fishes, etc. Okay, are found in large numbers. Okay, let us see now salinity. Salinity is the percentage of salt dissolved in the sea or ocean water. What do you mean by salinity? Salinity means the percentage of salt dissolved in the sea or ocean water. Got it? The average salinity of the ocean water is 35 ppt. ppt stands for parts per thousand or 35 grams. Okay. The salinity of ocean water is very high near the tropics and it is very low near the poles. At the equatorial region, the salinity is average due to high evaporation and precipitation. What did you students? Let's see now ocean currents. The ocean water has three types of movements. Listen, the ocean water has how many types of movements? Three types of movement. Let us see now. They are waves, currents, and tides. What are the three types of ocean water movements? Waves, currents, and tides. These are the three types of ocean water movements. Got it? Ocean currents are regular movement of ocean water from one region to another. Listen, ocean currents are the regular movement of ocean water from one region. Region means place to another place. Got it? Thus, ocean currents are two types. The ocean currents has how many types? Two types. Let us see. First one, warm currents. These currents originate and flow from the equatorial region to subpolar region. Got it? The warm currents are originate and flow from the equatorial region to subpolar region. Got it? Second one is cold current. The cold currents are originate in the polar region. Got it? The cold currents are originate in polar region and flow towards the equatorial region, opposite to warm currents. Okay, let us see now. Factors that influence ocean currents are rotation of the earth, temperature, wind, salinity, shape of the land masses, etc. What are the factors influence on ocean currents? Rotation of the earth, temperature, wind, salinity, and shape of the land masses are influence on ocean currents. Got it? Got it, dear students? Okay, this chart is not required for you. Okay, listen, come to the next page. Current of the Indian Ocean. The North Indian Ocean currents change the direction seasonally following the monsoons. During the southwest monsoons, the currents flow in the southwest to northeast direction, and during the northeast monsoon, they flow in a northeast to southwest direction. Listen carefully, dear students. The North Indian Ocean currents change their direction in seasonally. Got it? During the monsoon times. Listen, during the southwest monsoon, at the time of southwest monsoon, the ocean currents are flow in a southwest to northeast direction. Southwest to northeast direction. And during the southeast monsoon time, the ocean currents are flow in a northeast to southwest direction. Okay. The South Indian Ocean currents are Mozambique, Madagascar, Gullas are as warm currents, and West Australia as cold current. Listen, the South Indian Ocean currents are Mozambique, Madagascar, Agulhas as warm currents. These are the warm currents. Okay. West Australian is an cold currents. Got it? Observe the picture. The picture explains major ocean currents of the world. Okay. See in textbook, dear students, in your textbook page number 202. Observe the picture. You will be getting clarity. Okay. The tides, the remaining you not have, because government already reduced that topics. Okay. Let us see now. I hope you understand. In case if you have any doubts, you can call at any time and I will clarify your doubts. Okay, dear students? And homework for you, you need to make any 5 own questions. Any 5 own questions in today's topic only. What I done today, in that only you need to make any 5 own questions. Write neatly in your social HW. All of you should should mention your name and date and lesson name. Got it? Then you write the homework and send it. Got it, dear students? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.